Scott doing at MarineMax at Dallas. We're going to take a brief look at the brand new model from Aviara, the AV28 Surf. So this is the smallest of the Aviara models. And this is the one that is surf specific, so we're going to do really well with this boat here in Dallas. Being 28 foot, it's nice and big. There is a lot of seating. Also with a forward facing drive and ballast, it is, it's surfable. So going to be really, really good for us, for people that may not necessarily want to go to a competition dough boat and not have the rough ride of one of those, but want to have a large, very, very smooth riding boat that seats a lot of people. That can also take the kids and go surfing if you want to. So wraparound seating. This one was ordered with heated seats. It does have the black Cool Touch fabric seats. So these seats are going to remain about 30–40% cooler than the other vinyl that's on the market. So it's how you can get away with having a black seat that isn't going to burn you when you sit on it. Sliding backrest here. That way, when you get to where you're going, if you want to slide your seats forward, open up the cockpit a little bit more. Good storage underneath all of your seats all the way around. That's done very well. So is the sea deck. So the sea deck is permanently glued down. There are heaters here in the cockpit. You can see the exhaust vents for it. So when you're out on an early morning ride or late in the evening and you want to get some heat in the boat to warm everybody up, just go ahead and turn them on. Boat does have pump out head, very good headroom. I'm about 6'2". I can almost stand all the way up in there. So something that you usually don't see on boats in this size range. All right, so sitting down here at the helm, one screen, your Simrad screen over here for all of your, for your chart plotting. And this screen over here is going to be where you're going to control your light. So if you want to change the color of your accent lights, you've got your slide here where you can turn them to any color you want. And this operates as a dimmer. This is also where you're going to control your surf wave and where you're going to control your stereo as well. Digital throttle, so shifting in and out of gear is going to be really, really smooth on this boat and make it just really easy to drive. Really nice bow block off door and very tall windshield, especially for a 28-foot boat. So, if you turn your heated seats on, get the heat going back in the cockpit of the boat, shut your windshield, shut this door, it's going to make it a lot more enjoyable back there for you when it's a little bit colder out. And very large bow for a 28-foot boat. I am 6'2". And the backrest comes all the way up to my shoulder. So if you've got, younger kids or small kids that go out boating with you, feel a whole lot more confident letting them sit up front in the boat in a very rough water, especially compared to your average towboat that sits very, very low in the water. And of course, RGB accent lighting throughout. So really, really nice boat. We're very excited to have this one in stock because we've been waiting for it for a while. So if you got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, by all means, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.